So let's start with an overview of the troubleshooting process. Now, there's two main ways people do this: bottom up or top down using the OSI model. Now, bottom up would start at the lowest layer, the physical layer, and work its way up all the way through the OSI layer model until it gets to the application layer. So here we would have the data link layer, the network layer. Then we would have the transport layer, the segmentation layer, and the presentation layer. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. We work our way up there. Top down would mean we'd start at the application layer and work our way down through the presentation layer, the segmentation layer, the transport layer, the networking layer, the data link layer, and then finally the physical layer. So those are two ways to do this. This is not how I troubleshoot personally, but always have a set way to do things, right? If you use top down, always use top down. So you get used to the process. I'm really, really keen on having a framework to work within in troubleshooting. Divide and conquer. This is my preferred method. Doesn't have to be yours, but this is mine. I use ping. Many of you out there use ping. Many of you might not even know what ping does when you use it. You say, okay, I have connectivity. It's got to be something else. Ping actually does something really important. Ping tests the first three layers. From my network layer down, I am testing. If ping works, I know that this is good. I don't have to go much. I now need to look at something else. It is either an ACL or something else happening at another layer. If ping is working, I have the ability to say layer 3 is good from here to here. Some people just base it all on prior knowledge, experience, the shoot from the hip type of things. I've seen DNS servers go down all the time. I know this is a DNS resolve error. Sometimes you do that in your environments. If you know your environment really well and you know what's prone to happen in that environment, sure, shoot from the hip works. But really, I always stick here with divide and conquer because I want a testable methodology. I don't want to chase my tail shooting from the hip different things, just shooting off different things it could be. This is experience based. People who have a lot of experience can shoot from the hip well. My career has told me people with a lot of experience who do the job well don't shoot from the hip. So it's very counterintuitive. Even though they would be the best at that troubleshooting method, I usually don't see the best troubleshooters I know shooting from the hip. So follow the path. This is another way I like to do things. Follow the Wi-Fi packet path to make sure it's getting to its location. So oftentimes I will ping different nodes in the path, the Wi-Fi packet, to make sure I'm getting to different locations in my environment. So follow the Wi-Fi packet path to make sure that you have connectivity. Find out where the issue is.